DPF regenerations, yep, that's what's happening with this thing. It's coming with a list of different issues that it's been having. The main code that keeps coming back is to do with DPF temperature and failing DPF burns. So just start with the basics when every time that happens. Go through all the settings, reset all the learning modes, counters and everything. Otherwise you're up for the big money, so you might as well reset everything and try it. Instead of going, yep, let's change the big money thing, which is the DPF. And oh gee, it was actually just the reset counter needed resetting. So reset everything, anything related to DPF. Then run a full regen like we're doing with this thing and suck it and see, give it a try. Because 9 times out of 10 vehicles that come in here saying they've got DPF issues, and of course everybody's had a supposed go at it, we find the real simple things fix the issue at the end of the day. So there's points 101 for a DPF. Keep looking after your diesel. You can see more of these Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat. Or look us up at berrimadiesel.com where you can find out more about looking after your diesel correctly.